friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss the various job opportunities available in one of the multinational company. Friend, the job opportunities available for all the engineering branches, so please watch the video complete to know regarding the various job openings, what are the job eligibility, and how you can apply. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So friend, the company name is Alstom, and friend, it is a multinational company, and it is the global leader in the transportation sector in the digital age, and they provide the various services and product from high speed trains to metros, monorails, trams to turnkey system services, infrastructure, signaling, and digital mobility. So, friend, it is a very good opportunity for you to get the job in Alstom company. So, you can see here we are at the official career page of the Alstom company, and you can see multiple job openings are here given. So, you can see the job opportunities like you can see for the powertrain department, you can see the lab engineer, and also you can see the job opportunities related to the TNC engineer, continuous improvement specialist, process mining. So, multiple job opportunities are they are having. So, friend. You have seen the various Unacademy core engineering demo videos, their workshop, and the courses on my channel. And friend, Unacademy is always ready to help students. And now this time they have come up with the some interesting event, friend. That is a path to placement, and friend, it is a virtual event in which the various expert from the top industries will provide you free demo of core engineering job ready courses, which will help you to get the placement. And friend, it is a very important thing for the every students that they get their placement from their colleges or universities. So it is an important demo of a core engineering job ready courses, which will help you to crack the interviews and the placements. So friend, here core engineering branches are eligible like mechanical, electronics, electrical, civil, and you can see the here various industry experts are given, which will provide you demo of core engineering courses. You can see the founders, professors from the colleges, and you can see head of manufacturing from the Godrej. Then you can see engineer from the CAD center, and also engineer from the Reliance infrastructure. So friend, you will get the very good knowledge, and friend, you will also get the detailed overview of each courses, and you are having a chance to win up to 40% scholarship if you perform better in these courses. And friend, also you can see the here a table is given in which you can see the educator name, and the topic and timing is given. You can see the various topic is given, so according to your branch and interest area, you can select the topics and enroll in this demo courses. And you can see for enrolling, you have to use my code rosany 2022, that is ROSHNY 2022. So please use this code for enrolling, and I have given this code as well as a link in the description box, so please use it and enroll in these courses and crack your job interviews and the placements. So please take the advantage of this moment. So friend, let's check multiple job opportunities which is available in the Alstom company. So on the page number 2, once you click, then you can see also see the multiple job openings are given. So similarly, you can visit the various pages to find out the best job opportunity that is available for you. You can see the job opportunities like control engineer, software design engineer, also you can see SCADA program manager, you can see the system engineer, also you can see train validation engineer. Similarly, they are having multiple job opportunities for manufacturing department. So friend, we are going to check the some of the job opportunities, so let's check it. So friend, the first job opportunity is a train validation engineer, which is published on the 9th July 2022, and it is for the Bangalore location. And you can see here various details are given. So you can see here the responsibilities are given, like you can see you have to implement the standard process and related methodologies and tools in order to ensure certification and validation efficiency. Also, you have to write the test procedure, test execution, and test report. You have to ensure that timely issue of the validation proves. So these are the some responsibilities are given, and you will be also responsible for the reviewing part of the subsystem validation plans. Also, you have to manage the train level validation activities, then managing the certification and validation for project team, approving train system handover, approving reviewing train test procedures and the reports. So you have to work on the various types of reports. Also, you have to provide the various approvals, And friend, you can see the for the experience segment they have given, that is a experience in team and project management is required, and 1 to 3 years of depending on team size experience is required, and technical management and system knowledge, these are the some requirements given. And you can see the general requirement like you should know the knowledge of standards and regulation, work package management, fluent in English, as you have to deal with the multiple customers for internal as well as external. So please read the job description properly before applying, so that your chances will be more for selecting. So friend, before going to check the next job opportunity, that is engineer for the manufacturing department, friend, please subscribe mechanical stream, so that you can receive the job notification earlier and you can apply for the job as soon as possible. And friend, please like and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, so that everyone can get the advantage of this video. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. So friend, let's check the next job opportunity, that is engineer for the manufacturing department. So you can see the job posting date is the 6th July, and it is for the Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu location. So in the top you can see the regarding the Alstom company is given. So you can read it if you want more information regarding this company. So here you can see the responsibilities which you have to do. So you can see the responsibilities like you have to ensure safety, respect of work equipment, environment. You have to manage production team for monitor. You have to also monitor it on daily activities, deliver production in line with the quality, with the cost and delivery targets. Also friend, you have to define and drive the implementation of improvement of various plans and managerial results. Also you have to further implement the performance system. You have to develop team efficiency, multi skills. Also you have to represent site management towards employees. And you can see the various segments in which you have to perform the some roles. So have they have segregated the various roles. You can see for the environment and health and safety, you can see the you have to perform the responsibilities which is related to the safety rules, safety training, safety scope. And in the quality you can see related to the production according to quality required. And you can see the rework and non-conformance are treated, or you can see organized problem solving. You have to participate, escalate and information if required. Also you will be involved in the delivery works, like you can see define and implement the corrective actions when later versus planning. So if there is any deviation related to delivery, then you have to observe it. Also you can see the you will be involved in the cost, like you can see in line with the concerned work packages, optimize the allocation of available resources. Though these are the some requirement is given. So you have to also do the some management related activities, like you can see drive the continuous improvement of result, defining management of production organization, participate in investment budget planning. You can see this type of requirements they have given. And you can see the educational qualification is required, that is a B for the electrical and mechanical branches are eligible. And friend, in the previous job opportunity they did not have mentioned any branches, so all the engineering branches can apply for the job opportunity, like electrical, electronics, mechanical, so everyone can apply. And friend, for applying any job opportunity, you can see on the top apply now button is given. So for applying you have to simply click on it. Once you click, then this type of page will open. Then you have to click on this create an account, and you have to create an account. And after account you are created, then you have to simply log in and complete the application process. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this job opportunity, or if you want us give us any suggestion, please comment in the video so that we can improve it. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.